back to my channel. My name is Gigi. I'm sure you can hear the fan in the background. I do apologize for that. But as you can see, we have an actual human model today. This is the hand of my gorgeous daughter. She is getting the distinction of being the absolute first real human model on my channel. We had a fabulous day this day. I'm going to go ahead and tell you right now, I am happy and unhappy with the result of this set. And we'll chat about that. Guys, also this video may be a tiny bit late today. There's nothing I can do about that. We'll get to that as well. So what I'm doing is just laying down a nice base layer, giving her a little clear so we don't stain her nails, because we are going to use some black today. It's supposed to be black, and tomorrow, or not tomorrow, Wednesday, you will see a video where we discuss it more, because I do an actual unboxing. But I did not have time to do that before this set. So you are going to see the set before you see the unboxing. So now she has cured those up for 60 seconds. And we are going to go ahead and come in and tap in this black. I'm only putting it a little bit down because we're going to be very, very short. These nails are going to be super, super tiny and really adorable with that length. There is some problems. And I've already requested a do-over with her, although we're not going to do the same exact thing. So she's going to be a model on the channel again, and I hope we're going to have some more human models as well. But for now, this is our first. So welcome my daughter to the channel. I'm really just not going to say anybody's names, because it's not about their names. It's just about, you know, showing off their cute nails. So we're using this black from Saviland, and I will just go ahead and say this is really a gray to me. It's not really black, which is fine. We like it. It's okay. But we really wanted black, and there is no actual real black involved here. Now, I am only going to show you one hand because they both match. They're exactly the same. There's no difference between the two. So for brevity's sake, because this took a while for me, guys. This is I've only done a human model 2 other times before, or a human client, because they didn't go on video or anything. But they were disastrous. This is my first somewhat actual success. And some of it is definitely successful. They're not ugly, right? They're cute. But there's 4 nails, which are the Frenches that we're going to do, that I'm very unhappy with. So it's a semi-success, semi-fail. You'll have to let me know in the comment section how you feel about them. And just be nice, because I did my best. I'm going to say, working on a real person, the fake hands, the tips, all of that do not prepare you for working on people. And nothing will ever really substitute working on real people, which is what I've come to realize from doing this. So this purple color that I'm putting down as her nail beds, this is actually not Saviland. It is Vrenmon, and it's real pretty. It's the same purple that I have on my nails. I'll link the video for you guys so that you can see it when I do my nails, which came out much better. And also, it's much easier to work on your own personal hand, I'm finding, than working on somebody else. I'm sure once you get used to it, it's easier to work on other people, but for right now, I've not really done enough of that. And I'm excited to be able to work on her again and to do more nails for her. So, and maybe other family and friends in the area. So, and of course I won't charge anyone, you know, if they want to help out with a kit fee, that's fine, but I'm not licensed, so I won't be charging anyone. So, right, that's not cool. So, but I will be getting videos out of it. So we're just coming in and sharpening up this nail bed so that we can come in and add the black, and when we file it, it looks good. And it sort of does, and it sort of doesn't. And from this point, I'm still sort of like, oh, this might work out. You'll see at the end, you guys. You'll see at the end. And I do actually cut out the filing because the video would be forever, you guys. Although, honestly, I just got my drill out and debulked it and then finished filed with a file. That part was actually not that hard. It's trying to get the tip correct. Nothing I did made it look right. And you can see even here, I'm really struggling trying to get the shaping correct. So I'm excited to do more of these so that I can perfect it. And I am going to go ahead and practice these on the doll hand because it will at least give me more of a reference. So I love that I'm learning where my weak spots are, because that's how you grow, right? You can't expand yourself if you're putting blinders on where you need help. So now what I'm going to do, we're going to decorate some of these nails. I've finished filed everything, and now we're coming in with some builder gel. And I'm putting a thick layer because I just wanted to add an extra little bit of strength while it is holding on to the gems that we're using. I'm coming in with a little bit of top coat on top of that without actually curing. So you know it means we're going to put some gems. And these are genuine Swarovski crystals in black. I don't actually, I think I might have thrown the little, I'll have to have my daughter look up the name. She ordered them on Amazon, so you guys will be able to get them if you want, as long as they're still in stock. I don't control that. She wanted them on her nails, so she bought them and brought them to me so that she could have them, because I don't actually have any real black gems until now. What? I can't wait to wear some of these. And these are just gorgeous. We're just putting them all over the entire nail. We are studding this nail with Swarovskis. I'm going to see her later today, so I'll see if those have held up or not. We'll see. We will see. But it's so much fun. I actually enjoyed completely encasing this nail in these gems so much. I think it came out super cute. It's my favorite nails of the set. I also liked she's going to have me do some sugaring on 2 nails. And I am just over the moon with how well those came out. So I don't hate this set. I'm just disappointed that I wasn't able to execute the French nails as exactly as you might want. And we were also disappointed that the other nails were so dark black, but the French nails were sort of gray. So we do actually end up doing something about that, because I was really disappointed that it wasn't more pigmented. With a black, I should almost be able to use it, like paint it on and then encapsulate it. It'll be so pigmented that you couldn't get a strength nail out of it. But I have no doubt that this is a fine strength gel because it doesn't have enough pigment. And if I'm going for a colored polygel, I almost want to have to encapsulate it for strength because I want that color. You're going for that color, right? It's the same thing when you do colored acrylics. You don't want them to actually be, and here we go sugaring on the pinky, and we are also going to sugar the thumb. Now she's going to cure those all up, 60 seconds. Those are so pretty. I love that glitter. And now we're just going to come in with some black polish and actually darken the French, because it was not making us happy. It was not making me happy. I think actually she would have been fine with it, but I was just not digging how not dark it was. And I'm not happy with how I did this part of it either. I don't think I just changed it. I didn't make it better, if that makes sense. So that is the little roller coaster ride of this set of nails. But I really loved working on an actual person. It took me, guys, about 3 hours to get everything done. There's about 2 hours and 45 minutes of footage, and I did prep her before that, and I didn't get that on film. And that was probably about 10 minutes of prep work. So it was about 3 hours of sitting there and doing her nails. And considering it's only the third person I've ever done and the first semi-successful set, after top coating those two, because those were the only two that needed it, we're oiling her up and cleaning her up and making everything as pretty as possible. And this is the first human model on the channel. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.